Merry Christmas! So come home, so come. You keep me up all night.
No, that's okay.
What's up, guys? It is your girl Domonique. Hope everyone is having a great day. Welcome to another take of Vlogmas. So we are downstairs eating breakfast right now. The food is really good. We are getting ready to get our day started. Probably go back to Mall of America. This time I'll probably go shopping around and go into more stores because yesterday our focus was like really on the Nickelodeon theme park or whatever there. But that was fun as well, but this breakfast was awesome. Yeah, we're going up. Ooh. Let's go to the vlog, okay? You gotta show them what the elf is. Guys, tell them. You gotta show them? Okay. You know which way to go? Are you sure? I don't have the key. Dada has the key. Alright, you gotta show me what this elf is. You're talking about. Let me. Oh my goodness, the elf is wearing your crown. Ooh, I'm glad she don't have the magic wand. She probably would have tried to turn us into something. What do you think? That silly elf. Good morning, Roro.
Back.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I love it, guys. Y'all doing such a good job. Where's my phone?
So I can take a picture. Yeah, can I get a big Kool-Aid smile? Say cheese.
Cheese. Y'all doing so good. Where's my phone? Smile. Cheese.
A big smile, bro.
All right, see y'all later. Y'all gonna have fun?
Yes.
He's in the hotel. What's up, guys? So we are getting ready to head back to Mall of America. We're actually waiting on the shuttle right now to come pick us up. The girls are going with their grandma. They're going to like the trampoline park. But we're gonna go see Resident Evil, and I'm just doing some like shopping around the mall. I don't really have anything specific that I want to look for. We're just gonna like really browse around. Now, because if I want to go to the store and stay in there for an hour, then stop. Y'all, look at this jacket. This is so me. Look at this. This is so cute. I love it. Oh, even this is cute. Y'all know green is my color, and like this is my favorite green. Woo! Y'all, I'm in H&M right now. I saw like a long sweater I like, but since I'm so short, y'all, it was gonna like it was like really long, and I don't feel like it looked good on me. I wish I would have showed y'all. I'm up here at the kids section. Look at all of this stuff. Look. Oh my goodness, so cute. Oh my goodness, look at these outfits. Ooh.
Oh, now. This Christmas, I wanna be in love, but I don't know if I'm lucky enough. Like, is it gon' snow? Baby, bundle up with me. Girl, be my gift. Can you fit up under the tree? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Like, is it gon' snow? Yeah, I really hope so, but I don't know. Yeah. I need a Christmas vacation, and ain't nobody there but you and me, girl. Need a break from our families, unless you wanna start a new one with me. Oh yeah, I can be the man you want me to be now.
These boots are super cute. These are so cute. And I love that they're like white and black. I love this. And they have some all black ones. I'm undecided between the ones I want. I think I really like these. currently in Ulta, and I'm looking for like some moisturizers for my skin and also like a cleanser. So I've heard so much about Drunk Elephant, so I want to try it out, and I'll give you guys updates on it. But I'm looking at this moisturizer. This is doing $68. I'm like, honey, I ain't never paid this much for no moisturizer. However, I think I might try it out, guys. So let's get it. Yeah, I think I dropped my bottle. Hey, I think I was telling y'all. So yeah, I feel like I need to invest in better skincare products. I mean, I have good skin, I like to say, but I just want some more, you know, like better skincare to prevent wrinkles and like some anti-aging skincare. Y'all, I need a break from this mess. Ooh, and then I have to re-up on my favorite concealer. It's the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm getting the color tan. I go between the color tan and sand tan all the time, so I'm gonna do tan today. It's looking like tan, maybe my color. I don't know why I'm looking at my face like I turned it on. But yeah, so I'm just getting these two items and get ready to roll out of here. So let's get it. What's up, y'all? So we just got done getting a massage. When I tell y'all it was the best 40 minutes, that joint felt so good. But we about to go to the movies now, so I'll let you guys know how the movies go. But that massage felt so good. I was knocked out. Headed to the movies. What? Glad that we brought the kids yesterday, because y'all, this mall is so packed today, and to get on rides that we would have had to be like waiting in lines. Like we barely waited in any lines on yesterday, so we wasn't even like thinking like, oh, let's go Friday because Saturday may be packed. We just, you know, went. I'm so glad we did. So I'm thinking we may eat while we're in the movie theater, because I think here it's like one of those ones where you can order food and order drinks and stuff. So yeah, girl. Where? I am, but I can't do it when I sit down. Where we gotta go now? I think you can order. Shut up! You don't know. I'm over that now. You do not know. Like you. Oh guys, I just ordered me a Malibu Beach, and Sean is getting a whiskey sour. That's like his favorite drink to get. And I had one last night when we was at the hotel, and it was really good. It was pretty good. This is the whiskey sour. So here's my drink, y'all, and this is so good. Sean actually sit his back because he wants what I have. It's so good.
gotta do that. Oh my god, I just
Hubby, what? Y'all, this is so freaking cute.
Yeah, they got the donkey and man.
Go, Summer, go, go, go. So maybe the shoes that's holding you back.
Good job.
Good job.
Okay, Sky. Okay, Sky. Okay.
Run, Sky, run. Touchdown. What's up, guys? It's the next morning and we're going down to get breakfast. We check out today. They're getting ready to race. Every day they racing. All right,
Wait.
Oh, you gotta get recorded. Wait.
Let me cheat.
Come on, Summer. Come on, Summer. Woo!
You gotta take it off.
Who, Summer? It still be loose.
So you're supposed to go.
Then you take your juice. Scott, press down, okay? Perfect. Good job. High five.
Serena, which one?
Is the water cold, Sky? Go, Summy girl.
Say cheese. Cheese. Summer, look. Cheese. Summer, look. Summer, look. Take picture. We'll take one picture. We'll take one more picture. We'll take one more picture.
One more picture, come on. Peekaboo.
Go take another picture, girl.
One more picture. Yeah, good job.
Good job, Sums.
Come on over here. Yay.
Summer, look. Hey, Summer.
Is Daddy silly?
Daddy's silly. What's Summer?
Daddy did what?
Girl.
Woo!
What's up? Look. Hey, Summer.
You go get in the picture and I
Summer. Hey, Summer. Kill her right now. Summer, look. Hey, girl.
Summer,
I was killing right now.
Here, give me the phone. Give me the phone, babe. Yeah. Silly face.
Silly face. Oh, that's a silly face, girl. That's a silly
You want a
one.
car? Make a silly face.
Alright, let me see a silly face. Okay, Summer, I see a silly face.
Summer, you got a good one. Go, Sky.
Make a silly face.
Yeah, Philly.
Look at Summer's silly face.
And let me see your silly
Let me see a
face.
silly face. Oh, I like that joke, girl.
Joe.
That's a silly face, girl.
Let me see your silly face.
Show Sissy your silly face, Summer.
No.
Show me your mad face.
Look, that's a silly face she was making.
That's not her silly.
That's the face she was making.
Jump. Go, Roman. Go, Roman.
Baby, best friends never know. Baby, whoa, I need to know. Can we grow? Yeah. Can we grow now, babe? About the same chance we get snow all day. This Christmas, I wanna be in love, but I don't know if I'm lucky enough. Like, is it gon' snow? Baby, bundle up with me. Girl, be my gift. Can you fit up under the tree? I don't know. Is it gon' snow? I really hope so, but I don't know. And it don't ever snow in NC on Christmas. So I guess I'll be on my lonely, no kids, baby.
Tell grandma bye. Huh? Yeah. You want your blanket, Scott? You want your blanket? You do? Okay, I get it. Eat it. Did you want me to move your car seat over or you fine right there? You fine right there?